Hi, Abby.
Oh, hi, Kathy. Oh, may nakalimutan ka ba?
No?
O, ba't ka nagbalik? Did you forget something?
Nakarating ko lang eh. Anyways, I wanted to give you the manuscript of the novel I've been telling you about.
Manuscript?
Yeah.
Eh, di ba yung finalo up ko sa'yo last time? Eh, di ba sinabit mo na? Oh, ito nga, pinabasa ko nga. Wow, it's really beautiful, Kathy. Saka, very sexy. Bagay na bagay talaga sa ating intimate passion line. Really.
But I haven't given you anything yet.
Ano?